Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 15th reveal of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent calendar and haven't looked at today's item, now's the time to pause the video since I'm about to reveal it. Can't believe we're already on December 15th. Let's find window number 15. It's on the left side. We'll open up this window and we have a really long box today. On the inside, there are several different images. We'll remove that paper cover and it looks like we have another embossing folder. And I love that they included this little pull tab. Makes it much easier to remove out of the box. I'll open the package, remove the embossing folder. So there's three different border designs. We have circles, X's, and then the little loop-de-loop design. So you could keep all of those together or you could cut them apart for some fun borders. For my card today, I will be using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Freshly Made Sketches number 639. The pattern paper I'm using is from Sunny Studio. It's their Summer Splash collection. I've used this for several of the Advent calendar cards so far. And at this point, I don't have a lot of the paper left over. I've already prepped all of the pieces for my card. I used some green cardstock that matches the rind of the watermelon, and I embossed that piece. And I included all three of the fun embossed border designs. For the background of my card, using the pink tone-on-tone pattern paper. For the piece on the right side of the card, features all the fun watermelon images. And I decided I would layer the three pieces on black cardstock, just tying it in with the black watermelon seeds. For my cardstock layers, I'm adding an additional 1/8 of an inch. So the pink pattern paper for the background is 5 1/4 of an inch by 4 inches. The black cardstock layer is an additional 1/8 of an inch. So 5 3/8 of an inch by 4 1/8 of an inch. I'll put ATG tape on the back and add my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. The watermelon panel will go on the right side, but before I adhere that down, I'll put the embossed panel on the left side. When I layered the embossed piece on cardstock, I wasn't worried about lining it up perfectly on the very right side since it will be covered up. For a sentiment, I'm adding the word hello, and this die was included in a previous Advent calendar day. At this point, I don't remember which day revealed which item. I used black cardstock for the sentiment, adding it on a light pink panel. Then I'll layer that piece on some white pearlescent cardstock. I'm following the design of the card sketch fairly closely. I will pop up the sentiment using some thin foam dimension. This is Scrapbook.com's 1/4 inch foam in the 1mm thickness. When adding the foam, I only put a piece on the back of the sentiment toward the bottom, since the top area of the sentiment will sit partially on the embossed surface. For embellishments, I'll be adding some Love from Lizi peel-offs. On the right and left side of the sentiment, I'm using some of the mini twinkle style in pink holographic, and I'm putting them horizontally instead of vertically. I think they add that lovely little bit of sparkle. A final finishing touch, I'll put 3 mini circle peel-offs underneath the sentiment on the left side. Thought about using the smallest size circle, but changed my mind and I'm adding the medium size circle. Trying to make sure to get those nice and straight. Love from Lizi's mini shape peel-offs are perfect to use for embellishments, and she offers a wide variety of different colors and finishes. So there is my finished card, and here's a look at my daughter's card. For hers, she decided to just use one of the embossed borders, and she has it at the very bottom of her card. She added her signature wax seals, and she's been having so much fun using those. And between each of the pattern paper scrap pieces, she did use a Love from Lizi peel-off, the pinstripe style. If you are interested in the products I use for my card, I do have links in the description box below. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 16th reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.